Breville Vertuo Coffee and Espresso Machine, Chrome. Automatic coffee/espresso machine. Have the ability to create barista-grade brewed single-serve coffee or espresso cups at the touch of a single button. The single-touch button mechanism delivers the best in-cup result for whatever style coffee or espresso drink you choose. Designed for use with Nespresso Vertuo capsules only. Versatile coffee and espresso maker. Brew 5 different single-serve coffee cup sizes at the touch of a button depending on your coffee needs. Espresso 1.35 ounces, double espresso 2.7 ounces, gran lungo 5 ounces, coffee 7.7 ounces, and alto 14 ounces. Pour over ice to create your favorite iced coffee and ice latte drinks. Smart coffee maker. Brew the perfect single-serve coffee or espresso drink time after time, thanks to Nespresso's centrifusion technology using barcodes to deliver the best in-cup results, including the perfect crema for large coffee cup sizes. Simply insert the capsule, where it will blend into freshly brewed coffee or authentic espresso. Features: includes 40 ounces water removable water tank for no hassle refilling. This machine also has a fast heat-up time of only 15 seconds, meaning you will never have to wait too long for your favorite coffee or espresso drink to be ready. There is an energy-saving automatic shut-off at 9 minutes of inactivity. Complimentary gift. Each machine includes an Espresso Vertuo capsule welcome kit with a range of 12 single-serve coffee capsules with unique aroma profiles. Bundle. The Aerocino 3 milk frother is included to create the perfect finish to your single-serve coffee beverages such as cappuccino or latte. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.